all the blood that I would bleed. I don't know where I belong, I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song.
Potato and water, oil, maizena flour, salt, flavoring, masako or magic, and last you need powdered pepper, spoon, pan, stirrer, cutter, bowl, and straw. Okay, first, peel the potatoes to clean. Second, cut the potato that has been filled into some part. Third, boil the water to sufficient to boil with the pot. Fourth, boil the potatoes well. Then, leave and drain the water. After that, smooth the potatoes with a stirrer. Okay, next, add the 4 tablespoons and maizena flour and mix them evenly. Don't forget to add powdered pepper, flavoring and salt, and mix them evenly. After that, form the dough into a pillow. And then, heat oil in a pan. Okay guys, fry the potato pillows until they turn into golden brown. Ooh, I think it's so yummy. The last, put them on a plate and serve them with sauce.